7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. And twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. The other side. Ready? Come on, go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. देखने में आसान लगता है, but it's not so simple. 8, 9, 10. Relax. The last one on the other side. Ready? Go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. Round 3. Take your hands up. Forward and down, Hastapadasana. Position number 3 of Surya Namaskar. 4. Take your right leg back. 5. Take your left leg back. 6. Back and forward. Ashtanga Namaskar. Position number 6. 7. Bhujangasana. Lift your head and chest up. 8. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. 9. Right foot forward. 10. Left foot forward. 11. Stretch up. And 12. Relax. 2. Take your hands up. 3. Bring it down. 4. Left leg back. 5. Right leg back. 6. Back and forward. 7. Bhujangasana. 8. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. 9. Bring your left foot forward. Bring your right foot forward in. Stretch your hands up, 11. And relax, 12. Now, we will do 4 Surya Namaskars more with the breath. Now, if you want to, you can also do the chair version with me. जो standing chair version है, जैसे आपको की जगह sitting, standing, whatever you are comfortable with. But we have to integrate breathing this time. Namaste. Breathe in 2. Breathe out 3. Breathe in 4. Breathe out 5. Hold your breath 6. Breathe in 7. Breathe out 8. Breathe in 9. Right foot forward. Breathe out 10, left foot forward. Breathe in 11 and breathe out 12. Relax. Now there is a possibility that for you breathing is not getting synced properly. Proper sync नहीं आ रहा होगा तो जैसे मन आ रहा है करते रहिए. नमस्ते. Breathe in. 3, breathe out. 4, breathe in. 5, breathe out. Hold your breath. 6. Breathe in 7. Breathe out 8. Breathe in 9. Breathe out 10. Breathe in 11. And breathe out 12. 2 more Surya Namaskars, one with the right, one with the left, with the breath. ठीक है, 2 ही और करने हैं, बट ब्रीदिंग की साफ करने की कोशिश करेंगे. हो सकता है ना हो. कोशिश किया, that is good enough. Namaste. Let's also add a smile. Smile, breathe in. 3, breathe out. 4, right leg, breathe in. 5, breathe out, Dandasana. Hold your breath. 6, 7, breathe in. 8, breathe out. 9, breathe in, right foot forward. 10, breathe out. 11, breathe in. 12, namaste. 2, breathe in. 3, breathe out. 4, left leg, breathe in. 5, breathe out. Hold your breath. 6, 7, breathe in. 8, breathe out. 9, breathe in, left foot forward. 10, breathe out. 11, breathe in. 12, relax. Continue to walk. Breathe in. Breathe out. 10 steps only. Breathe in. Breathe out. 10 steps again. Breathe in. Breathe out. 10 steps. Relax. Now you have 2 options. You can continue 10 or you can jump to 15 or you can go in between also. कोई एक नंबर पकड़ लो. अगर आप 15 कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ तो और बढ़िया. The high BP heart condition, 10, maintain 10 and do 10 again and again. You can do 11, 12, 13, 14, whatever you are comfortable with. We are going to do 15 5 times. Okay? See if you can reach the number. Breathe in. Breathe out. 15 steps. Breathe in. Breathe out. 15. Breathe in. Breathe out. 15. Breathe in. Breathe out. 15. Last time, breathe in. Breathe out. 15. Relax. So ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप 12 कर पा रहे थे, 13 कर पा रहे थे, 14 कर पा रहे थे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Whatever you can do, it's good. The next 5 times we're going to try 20. 20 करने की कोशिश करना है, which means you can do anything until 20. आप 10 से 20 के बीच में कोई भी नंबर आप कर सकते हो, 10 तो हो ही जाएगा सबसे. You can do 12, 16, 18, 17, whatever you're comfortable. Okay? We are going to do 25 times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go for it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 20 again. Breathe in. Breathe out. 20. Last time, breathe in. Breathe out. 20. Relax. One last time. This time you do as much as you can. 20, 25, 30, 32, 42, whatever. जितना हो सकता है उतना इस राउंड में करने की कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है? First, let's take normal deep breaths in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. For the final count, final test, you can say, breathe in. Breathe out. And breathe in. Breathe out completely. Go for it. Four, on, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Relax. In the next round, we will do 5, 5, 5, 5. Let's see if you can do it. If you're comfortable, continue. If you're not comfortable, do less. It's okay. Together, breathe out. For box breath, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, continue. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Last round. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. Relax. Eyes are closed. Sit comfortable and easy. आराम से बैठो. 3 simple intentions. Hold your right wrist with the left. Go forward and down. And slowly come up. With this beautiful state of mind, let's pray for others. दूसरों के लिए प्रार्थना करेंगे. You can mentally chant or you can chant loudly with us. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. With a big bright smile on your face, you can gradually open your eyes. Good. So Saturday, quick reminder, make sure that